Hello, boys and girls. Here it is Friday, and we're live on the scene with some breaking news. I don't know if you've heard it at your house or not, but I heard the sirens blowing everywhere. Did you hear the sirens? Wait a minute. Here comes Bob. Yes, Bob. What's the break? Yes, I know. He wants to share the breaking news. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. He's so afraid that he can't talk, so I'm going to share it to you. What were the sirens all about, Bob? Yeah. Oh, they were to remind us they weren't for a fire. The police weren't coming to arrest somebody. Oh, it was to remind us, like a tornado warning? Yes, the sirens were a tornado warning. Oh, no, no, no. It wasn't a tornado. It's a Bible verse warning. That's right. We forgot to practice our Bible verse today. Today is the day that you need to say it for us, right? Yes, Bob knows that you can do it. He says it's right behind us, so let's practice it. Right. Yes, Bob, I know the hat looks silly on my head. I will take it off. It feels like it's going to wobble off. That's right. Hey, boys and girls, let's practice our verse. Okay, you ready? Here comes Bob. He wants to sit right here. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Are you ready? But God, I can't do it with one hand. Bob, can you sit right there and do this? Let's see if he can. Oh, good. He's staying right there. I'll move out of the way. Are you ready? But God, let's start all over again. Romans, are you ready? Romans 5:8. But God demonstrates his own love for us in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Don't forget, you need to send me a video or call me with this verse. Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Romans 5:8. But God demonstrates his own love for us in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. That's right. Bob is so glad that we said that verse. He was a little bit worried that we were not going to practice our verse today. We should have done it first thing this morning, but we didn't. Oh, you want to see Bob? He's down there someplace low. Let's see if we can find him. Okay, let's see if we can set him up on something. Oh, so he can be right there in the corner. I need something. Oh, I know. I have something right here. Bob wants to be a part of class today. He sincerely misses you, and he wants to know more and more about what you all are doing. Hey, almost. We're getting there a little bit taller. We just need a little bit more. I think that'll do it. Do you think that'll do it? Ha ha! There's Bob. Now let's hope he doesn't fall because he's kind of on a pyramid. But I think we can do it. So give me a call or send me a video, a Marco Polo, something with you saying the verse, okay? Romans 5:8. Thank you, boys and girls. I'm really proud of you for doing that. Today, let's find our math paper, okay? Bob's going to be in the way for a little bit. Our math paper has this big panther on the bottom. Remember, we're still talking about the Everglades National Park, so we want to make sure we listen. You need your math paper, a pencil. Oh, where's my pencil? Here's my pencil, a ruler, and you need to find your place value sheet. Okay, do you have that? It should be in the front of your binder unless you moved it someplace closer. You're going to need all those things. But before we do that, we want to go over some math facts. Are you ready to do that? I think we're ready to do it. Bob thinks that he can beat you on the math facts. Do you think you can beat Bob? Maybe you have a mom or a dad or an older brother or sister, somebody who knows how to multiply, and you want to have a contest with them today. Grab them, bring them up close so that you can be in a contest against them and see who can get the most, okay? You can even get your little dry whiteboard and keep little tally marks if you want. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, this is for Benjamin. Benjamin, you think you can beat Bob? I don't know. Benjamin gave us Bob. He's pretty smart. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready, Benjamin? 5 times 2 equals... I heard Benjamin first. Bob, you are slow on the draw. 10 is the answer. Good job. I don't think I'm going to turn around every card. It'll take a long time to do that, so we're just going to keep moving right along because you know these. Are you ready? Okay, Adeline, you ready? Beat Bob. Here we go. 10 times 5 is 50. Good job, Bob. You're slow on the draw. Here we go. I think Bob will get this one. Okay, Layla, are you ready? 0 times 9. I heard Bob. Layla, he knows his zero family because 0 times any number equals 0. Okay, Layla, I'll give you another one. Bob, I don't know if you'll know this one. Okay, Ray, Bob, let's find a hard one. Oh, here's a hard one, Layla. Okay, are you ready? Okay, Bob will know this one. You got this one. Okay, it's the 5 family. Okay, ready, Layla? Here we go. 8 times 5 equals... That's right. She beat you, Bob. She beat you. She said it was 40. Nice job. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, Caleb, can you beat Bob? Okay, I hope you can. Are you ready? Here we go. What's 2 times 10, Caleb? 2 times 10 is... He skunked you. Bob, you are slow on the draw. He said 20. Nice job, Caleb. Okay, here we go. Brady, I'm going to find a hard one. Boy, there's a bunch of easy ones. Let's do these easy ones and get them out of the way. Bob will probably know them. Let's all do them. You ready? See if you can beat Bob. Are you ready? 6 times what? Bob knows his ones. He said 6. Did you say 6? Okay, 0, family. Are you ready? Okay. What, Bob? No, I didn't give him any clues. No clues for the boys and girls. Just for you, Bob. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 0 times 10 equals, you beat Bob this time. 0. Any number times 0 equals 0. Sorry, Bob. Okay, here's the next one. This is the last easy one. Oh, there's 2 more easy ones. Okay, we'll do 2 more. You ready? Here we go. 2 times 1 equals, they beat you, Bob. Bob, you've got to get this one because right now the boys and girls are 3 to zip, 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 0. Are you ready? Here we go. Right. 1 times 5, he beat you. He said 5. Bob, you do know your 5 family. Good job. Okay, here we go. It is Brady's turn. Brady, got your thinking cap on. Don't let Bob beat you. Okay, you ready, Brady? Okay, Bob, I like you too. Bob and Brady, B's and B's. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? 3 times 10, Brady, is 30. Sorry, Bob. Okay, here we go. We're going higher. Kendall, you ready, Kendall? You gonna let a boy beat you, Kendall? You gonna let Bob beat you? I hope not. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Ready, Kendall? 2 times 11 equals 22. Nice job. Okay. Okay, here we go. Madison, are you ready? 5 family. Count by 5s. Are you ready? Okay, you ready? Here we go. 5 times 5. Bob, you didn't even let Madison have a chance. Madison, did you know that answer? It was. Bob, I heard Bob say it. 25. Whoops, my hand's in the way. 25. Hey, you know what, Madison? Let's do another one. Okay, ready, Madison? Right. Oh, Bob, look over there. Look over there. There's a big burp. Right, Madison. 2 times 8. Oh, that's right. Madison got that one. 16. Sorry, Bob. You were busy looking at the birds over in the sky. Okay. Here we go. Oh, my. What did you say? Oh, yes. He wants to do another girl. Let's see. Ella, you ready? He thinks he can beat girls. Go. Ella, do you think he can beat you? Are you ready? Here we go, Ella. You ready? 5 times 9, Ella, is? What, Bob? You need to take off your shoes and count on your toes. Ella gave me the answer already. It is 45. That's right. Okay, Hunter. This is an easy one. You ready, Hunter? 2 times 5 is 10. Bob, you got to catch up. These boys and girls are much smarter than you. Okay, Lucas. Lucas, this is a big one. Bob, are you ready? The challenge is on. Lucas and Bob, who will win? I can't wait to find out. Oh, where's my microphone? And it's a race today against Lucas and Bob. Who will win this next problem? And the vote is for Lucas. Cheer if you're for Lucas. Yay! Cheer if you're for Bob. Yay! Who's going to cheer? Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 10 times 12. 10 times 12 is... It was a tie! I heard 120 from both of them. Good job, boys. Okay, here we go. This is an easy one. Are you ready? Okay, Gwen, this is for you. Are you ready? 3 times. She said it before I even could say it. 3 times 1, Gwen, is 3. Bob, you're getting slow. Is it almost lunchtime? It must be. Or did you have your snack today, Bob? I don't know. Okay, Kellen, are you ready? This is for you. Don't let him. Okay, don't let him. Okay, you're ready? Here we go. 8 times 10, 10 times 8, Kellen, is... Dun, da, 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 80. Okay, Bob. Bob, I'm going to give you a hint. This is from the 2 family. Okay, 2 family. Got it, Bob? Okay, got the 2s? Okay, Calvin, don't let Bob beat you. Don't let him beat you. Are you ready? 2 times 7. Calvin, you are right. Bob, are you still counting? 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Last one. Abel, you ready? It's a 10 family. You're ready? Here we go. 9 times 10, 10 times 9, same number, and the answer is... Bob got it. Sorry, Abel. He beat you on that one. He said the answer is 90. Okay, I think we need to do the girls. So I need Adeline and Layla and Kendall and Madison and Ella and Quinn. Are you ready for this one? It's the girls against boys. It's girls against Bob. Who is going to yell for the girls? Girls! Okay, who's going to yell for the Bob? Bob. Okay, who's going to vote for... I heard the boys vote for Bob. Girls, you got this. Okay, girls, are you ready? Right? Here we go. I want to hear who's the first girl who can give me this answer. Are you ready? Here we go. 2 times 9. 2 9s. Count my 2s. 2, 4, 6. I heard Kendall. Kendall, what was that answer? Say it again. 18. Good job. Kendall, you gave a point to the girls. Okay, this is for the boys. It's going to be boys or Bob. Boys or Bob. Which one? I can't get, I'm so confused. Okay, boys, are you ready? Are you ready? Bob says, I am a boy. I know, but you're on a team by yourself. It's boys against Bob. Okay, are you ready? Get set. 3 times 5, 5 times 3, and Hunter. What answer was that? I heard you. That's right. It is 15. Okay, this is boys again, not the girls. Okay, we'll let the boys go. We'll let the boys go. That's okay. Yeah, we'll let the boys go because girls are easy. Next one's easy after this one. Okay, boys, right? Here we go. Okay, boys, are you ready? Boys against Bob. 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Count. Remember, count by fives. I think it was Caleb and Ben at the same time. I'm pretty sure those were their voices. Bob, you are so slow. The answer is 30. Nice job. Okay, girls, this one's yours. Are you ready? You got to win because Bob can't beat. Bob's going to lose on. He needs to practice his times table. Okay, girls, are you ready? Okay, ready? Here we go. 10 times 1. I heard all the girls shout it out. 10. That's right. Okay, this is the whole class against Bob. It's okay, Bob. Don't worry. It's okay. They like you. They know you haven't practiced because you've been not in school and your mommy bird has already flown away. You have no one to teach you. What? It's my job to teach you too? Have you not been listening to all these videos I've been doing? Oh, I hope you've been listening, boys and girls. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 2 times 6. 2 6s are... it was a tie. Good job, Bob. Good job. Oh, don't fall. The answer is 12. Nice job. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Are you ready for the last one? Will it be a tie? Let me get my papers. Okay. Will it be a tie to the century? Or will Bob win? Or will my class win? My class is so smart. You cheer if you're smart. Yay! Cheer for Bob. Yay. Okay, you ready? Here we go. And the answer is, are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 4 times 5 is... Dun, da, da, da. It is a tie. Bob is great. You are great too. Good job. 20 is the answer. I hope you are playing along with us today because today is math test day. And guess what? On the math test, there are a bunch of multiplication problems just like those. And I know you've got this made in the shade. Okay, find for me your math paper. Okay, at the top of our math paper, this is all for you to do. We're going to do most of it together, but you're going to do some of this by yourself. You are going to use your ruler. At the very top, it says 12 centimeters. Remember, centimeters are the small side. Inches are the big side. Everybody had a ruler. Mrs. Kraft made sure a ruler was in your school box. So make sure you measure with a ruler. Don't just draw a crooked line for me. I want a nice straight line. Go down to number 2. Okay, are you ready? You need your dry white marker and your little 1,000, 100,000 place values. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. It says, the Florida panther lives in the Everglades. Wow, crocodiles, alligators, panthers. I am glad I live in Ohio, not in the Everglades. It is the Florida state animal. That's interesting. Fill in the blanks and find out more about this animal. Okay, so we're going to read across. We're going to fill in and see what number we have. How many thousands do we have? How many thousands? Adeline, how many thousands do I have? That's right. I have 1,000. Now, Adeline, make sure, everybody else, make sure we don't put anything in the 10,000s. We do not have any number. It didn't say 10,000. It just says 1,000. Ben, how many hundreds do I have? Correct. I have 9 hundredths. So right now I have a 1 and a 9. Okay, let's go to Layla. Layla, how many tens do I have? Correct. She said 8. 8 tens. And because 8 tens equal 80, right? And how many ones do I have? Caleb, how many ones? 2. 2 ones. That's right. So the number I have, I'll put my comma in here even so you can see, is 1,982. I want you to take that number, please, and write it right in number 2's blank. See number 2 right there? I want you to write it on letter A, 1,982. Okay? Did you get that? Good job. I want you then, we're going to do a subtracting problem for letter B. We're going to do this together. I am sad to say, and Bob is sad as well. Bob, he is sad as well. Okay. Ah, I shouldn't have touched Bob. Okay. Bob and I are both sad about a couple things. When Mrs. Kraft was checking math papers, some people are not borrowing. Or if they're borrowing, they're not borrowing correctly. So I want you to stop and think. I want you to do this with me. So you can get your dry whiteboard, or you can do it right on your paper, whichever one you want. Okay, I'm going to do it on my dry whiteboard. If you need to pause and go get your dry whiteboard and your marker, go do that, okay? But we're going to practice because some people are not remembering how to borrow when there's nobody home, nobody home, nobody home. And that's going to happen a lot in this grade and in third grade. So we're getting ready for third grade. We want to make sure that we're sharp and bright and smart. Okay, are you ready? Okay, pause until you're ready, and then we'll get started. Okay, it says there are only about blank adult panthers in Florida. Now we have to do a subtraction problem to find out the answer. This is letter B. So I'm going to look right here, okay? Is there anybody home? No, cross it out. Oh, sorry, you can't see very well if I do that, okay? Is there anybody home? No. Can't? Nope. Nope. Oh, Mr. 3, you are home. Cross out the 3. Taking 1 away, what's it going to become? It is going to become a 2. That's correct. How much did I borrow? I borrowed 10. So 10 plus 0 is 10. Put that 10 there. This is where people are forgetting. So make sure you follow. Now somebody's home. I need to borrow for this place right here. Cross out the 10. Take 1 away. He's going to become a 9. And I'm going to add 10 more next door. Okay, so now I have 10 home. I can borrow 1 more time. Cross out the 10, borrow 1, add 10 more next door. Do I have anybody else to give some to? I do not. Does your borrowing look like Mrs. Kraft's? If it doesn't, pause the video and fix it so it does. Okay? Okay, now we're going to subtract. Are you ready? Okay, Brady, what is 10 minus 0? Oh, wait a minute, Brady. You found Mrs. Kraft's mistake. That's right. We didn't look to see what was underneath. Actually, Mrs. Kraft did that on purpose because somebody did this on their paper. Okay, I want you to erase. We're going to start all over again because do I need to borrow when there's a 0 on top? I do not. I know that wasn't nice of Mrs. Kraft to do that, but I want you to think. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Where's my eraser? Whoop. There it is. Remember, just use a plain dry paper towel, okay? So I'm going to erase this top number, and I'm going to write just 3,000 up here at the top again. It wasn't very nice of me, was it? But I want you to become good detectives, okay? Now, let's stop and look at this problem. Did you look and notice that there's 0 and a 0? Do I need to borrow? I do not. So I can go ahead and subtract those two numbers. 0 minus 0 is 0. Brady says, I knew that, Mrs. Kraft. Now, can I do 0 minus 2? I cannot do 0 minus 2. So now I do need to borrow. Cross out, cross out. Nobody's home, nobody's home. Mr. 3, I'm going to make him a 2. Okay. Now I'm taking 10 next door. Cross out because I have something now to borrow. Take 1 away from him. Make this a 10. Am I going to borrow any more? N-O. Bob says a 2. What do you say? N-O. No, no more borrowing. Leave this one on the end alone. Okay, are you ready? Now, Brady, what's 10 minus 2? Sorry, Brady, for tricking you before. 10 minus 2 is 8. Good job. Okay, what is 9 minus 8? Kendall, what's 9 minus 8? Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's 1. And what is 2 minus 2? It's 0. So really, we don't have to write the 0. We can just be done. Our answer is, let me make my 0 a little bit better here on the end. Our answer is 180. So right here in this spot, in the middle right there, you can write 180. Okay? Be careful. Always check to see if you need to borrow. A panther can run as fast as blank miles per hour. Ooh, XX, XV, XXXV. Okay. Madison, can you help me with this? XXXV. How much is this? X equals what? X equals 10. 10, 20, 30, 35. That's right. So 35. A panther can run 35 miles per hour. Can you outrun a panther? Can Bob outrun a panther? Bob will be good lunch for a panther, wouldn't he? Okay. And a female panther weighs less than 10 times 10. Hunter, what is 10 times 10? 10 times 10 equals, correct, it equals 1. Whoop, I'm running out of space. 100. Good job, Hunter. Okay. On the bottom, you're going to measure that panther. Okay, put the real measurement right beside the animal, right here. Put the real measurement right there. And then it says, if each inch equals 2 feet, how long is a large Florida panther? You're going to do this number times 2. That little number right there times 2 gives me my new answer right there. Okay, nice. Turn over to the back. Remember today you do not have a speed drill. That's the other thing Mrs. Kraft wants to talk to you about. Some people are not doing their speed drills. Did you know that those count for a grade? Mrs. Kraft is checking those. That's right. I am checking those. We check them in class. They're important. So if you do your speed drills, that helps your grade go up, up, up. If you don't do your speed drill, your grade's going to go down, down, down. So make sure speed drills are easy. They don't take any work at all. Okay, pluses and minus, some multiplying and dividing, okay? Now, when you get up here, there's little letters. Do you see these letters? Numbers, letters, okay? You are going to fill in the answers down here, and it's going to tell you the words. Don't just guess at the words. Do the problems up here. And then I want you to color the animals. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. Yeah, you need to use at least 5 different colors, maybe 6 different colors, okay? I do look for this. This is a part of our grade too. We have a test to take today. So Mrs. Kraft's going to end this video right now, and then we'll start a new one. So can you say bye to Bob? Okay, he's going to say bye to you. Bye, Bob. That's right. He has been sitting here the whole time. You won't see him during the test. He would be too much of a distractor for you. So he'll show up another day, another time. Okay, bye, boys and girls. Have a great weekend.